Moon waffles, also known as Hong Kong-style egg waffles or eggets, are delicious and fun to make. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, half a cup evaporated milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, cooking spray or additional melted butter for greasing the waffle iron. Instructions: preheat the waffle iron. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Prepare the batter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, and sugar until well combined. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs. Add the evaporated milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and mix until smooth. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, a few lumps are okay. Grease the waffle iron. Lightly grease the waffle iron with cooking spray or brush it with melted butter to prevent sticking. Cook the waffles. Pour the batter onto the preheated waffle iron, filling each cavity about 2/3 full. Close the waffle iron and cook according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the waffles are golden brown and crispy. Remove and serve. Carefully remove the waffles from the iron using a fork or silicone spatula. Serve the waffles warm, either as is or with your favorite toppings such as powdered sugar, fruit, whipped cream, ice cream, or chocolate sauce. Enjoy your homemade moon waffles with friends and family. These waffles are best enjoyed fresh and warm, but you can also store any leftovers in an airtight container and reheat them in a toaster or oven for a few minutes before serving. Experiment with different toppings and variations to create your own unique moon waffle creations.